How to change contact color on Android. This tutorial shows you how to customize and personalize your contact colors for better organization. First, open the Contacts application on your Android device. Next, you'll be taken to your contact list where you can view all your saved contacts. Following that, tap on the contact whose color you want to change. Now, tap on Edit at the top right corner of the screen. Moving forward, scroll down until you see the option for Contact Photo or Profile Picture. Afterwards, tap on the circular contact icon to customize it. In addition to that, tap on the Color Palette or Customization icon to access color options. Once you're on the customization screen, you'll see different color choices available. Subsequently, swipe through the available colors to find your preferred option. Moreover, select the color that best suits your contact organization system. Afterwards, you can also adjust the background style if additional options are available. Then, tap on Save or Done at the top right corner to apply your changes. Within this section, your contact will now display with the new color you selected. Alternatively, you can repeat this process for multiple contacts to create a color-coded system. Once you've customized all your desired contacts, they'll appear with their new colors in your contact list. Then, go back to your main contacts page to see the updated colored contacts. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you change contact colors on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android customization tips, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.